Take out the main machine and all the accessories. 1 white rubber hose, 1 red rubber hose, 3 diamond wands, 1 pack of spray gun, 9 diamond tips, 6 black rubber rings, 3 glass tubes, 1 pack of cotton filter, 1 power cord. Put the 9 diamond tips and the main machine in order. Put the 3 diamond wands and the handle holder of the main machine in order. When you face the machine, the outer light is on the left and the inlet is on the right. When using Micro Dermabrasion, take out the white rubber hose, insert one end into the inlet and the other end into the tail of the diamond wand. Take out 6 black rubber rings. Install them to the wands. You can substitute the ring when it is broken. The black rubber ring is a must, otherwise there's a very low section or no section. Choose a diamond tip. Install the cotton filter. The cotton filter is a must. Then twist the tip onto the wand. Connect the device with the power supply. Press the power button to start the machine. Rotate the knob to adjust the section. Rotate it to the left to decrease the section, and rotate it to the right to increase the section. The stronger section level is, the tighter the tip sucks onto your skin. The process is advised to be around 10 minutes. Turn off the machine to stop. Take off the diamond tip after the operation. Take out the cotton filter and throw it away. Clean the diamond tip with clean water to use for later. Take out 3 glass tubes. The flat tube is for forehead and cheek. The long tube is for nose and the nasolabial folds. The bend tube is for chin, nose, and cheek. Choose based on your need. Pull off the white rubber hose from the wand and install the glass tube to the white rubber hose. Rotate the knob to adjust the section. There is a small round hole on the glass tube. Press the round hole with your forefinger when operating. Release your forefinger to stop. Press the power button to turn off the device. Clean the glass tube with clean water to use for later. Take out the red rubber hose and spray gun. Insert one end of the red rubber hose into the outlet of the machine, and insert the other end into the connector under the spray gun. Do not insert the red rubber hose into the inlet. There is a water box on the spray gun. Fill clean water or toner or watery essence. or other watery products in the water box. Choose based on your skin type. Turn on the device first. Press the start button on the spray gun with your thumb to spray. Release your thumb to stop. It can be used for moisturizing, cleansing, infusing nutrition to the skin, and softening skin. Dump the remaining water in the water box. Clean the spray gun and store it away.